Today we are continuing to talk about food chains. So yesterday you watched a video on Brain Pop about food chains and about producers and consumers. Think in your head right now, what is a producer? You thinking? Okay, a producer is the very beginning of the food chain. It gets its energy from the sun. So typically producers are plants, right? And we just came from our plants unit and we know that leaves take in the sunlight and they get the water from the roots that come up through the stem to make food for the plant to survive. So plants aren't eating pizza, it's not eating donuts to survive. It's just using the sunlight and the nutrients from the soil in order to survive. So what might eat plants? Okay, maybe you're gonna think about your small types of bugs. All right, specifically maybe like grasshoppers or ladybugs. They're gonna be eating these plants that are at the beginning of a food chain. All right, and as you get bigger, a food chain is just the sequence of how energy is passed from each different animal. Your animals are going to get bigger. Eventually you're going to come to humans because humans like to eat both plants and animals. Remember, we're called omnivores. We don't just eat only plants. Some people do, but most people eat both plants and animals. So we're called omnivores. All right, today I have this story called The Amazing Octopus. And I'm just going to read one page from it and talk about what octopus eat. All right, and I even have my little octopus friend here today to join us. All right, so just one page, so stay with me. What an octopus eats. Octopuses eat many animals. They eat crabs and fish. Large octopuses can even eat sharks. Octopuses use their arms to look for food. The little cups on their arms can grip the food that they find. Let's look at Mr. Octopus here. Yep, he has them. He has these little cups that can help to go into crevices and pull out the animals that he wants to eat. An octopus also looks in places where animals hide. It looks for food in small, dark places. Its arms reach far into the rocks. The octopus has a beak in its mouth. The beak breaks open the shells of lobsters and clams. Wow, so octopuses eat a lot. All right, well what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna create just one food chain out of my animals that I have here. All right, so, I'm gonna start with Nemo. My little friend Nemo, and he's swimming through the sea. What might eat Nemo? Crab, octopus, whale. Well, actually, Nemo is such a small creature that lots of different animals could eat Nemo. I'm sorry, Nemo. But today, in my food chain, we're gonna have Mr. Crab eat Nemo, okay? So Mr. Nemo's swimming and the crab's gonna get him. So then Nemo's out of the picture and I just have crab. And the crab's continuing to look for his food and survive. But then we have a bigger animal that comes along. And I know my crab is really big compared to my octopus, but just go with it. All right, so I have Mr. Crab and he's looking for more Nemos, maybe Dory, okay? But the octopus is hungry and it comes along. And remember, it's gonna be smaller. My crab is smaller, so my octopus can pick it up, use its suction cups on its tentacles to get it and eat it. And then my crab is out of the picture. It's just my octopus left. And my octopus is continuing to look for maybe fish, maybe more crabs. It said clams. What else? It even said big sharks or small sharks. Anyways, he's still looking. But what is going to eat Mr. Octopus? Do you know? This is not a shark, actually. This is a whale. Whales, Miss Celia already did the research for you, do eat octopus. Okay, so the whale's gonna come along and it's gonna get my poor octopus friend here. All right, so the whale is actually now has all of these other animals in its tummy because if the whale eats the octopus and the octopus ate the crab and the crab ate the fish, now in Mr. Whale's tummy, he has all of these animals. All right, and so that's how a food chain works. It goes from probably the smaller of the animals to the bigger animal. As humans, we have probably a very diverse palette of food that we eat. We don't eat whales. Well, maybe we do. But we eat seafood, we eat this. We could eat big animals, even like cows we eat, you know. But we also eat plants, the producers. So we, as humans, are very high on the food chain. So today, I want you to order the different animals in your activity in order of a food chain, all right? The first thing, listen to my hint here, the first thing on your food chain should be the sun. And then what does the sun give life to? Okay, think about our last science unit, and I already said it in this video. The sun is going to be the first thing. What's that second thing? And then order the other creatures in order according to the food chain. I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about food chains, and I will see you later, first grade. Have a great day. I'm missing you all.